What's up, everybody? A G Auto Repair back at it again. Today, we're tackling something that scares a lot of people off from doing themselves. But by the end of this video, you'll see it's way simpler than it looks. And stick around, because toward the end, I'm showing something you don't see in tutorials very often: replacing a side curtain airbag through the headliner. Today's video is the full dashboard assembly on a 2023 Toyota Raize Z trim. Watch till the end. There's a couple moments that'll surprise even people who've done their own repairs before. A lot of shops charge good money just to put back together something that's honestly closer to a puzzle, if you know the right order. And that order is exactly what we're breaking down today, step by step. First thing you need to know, you cannot install the dashboard and the air duct together in one shot. That's the mistake most beginners make. Air duct goes in first, dashboard second. Remember that one. It'll save you a ton of time and frustration. Nice and slow, we set the dashboard panel into place. It comes apart in pieces, so we're building it back up section by section. And this is where it gets interesting. Tightening the screws down. Watch how easily everything lines up. Most of these parts click into plastic fasteners, not bolts like a lot of people assume. Installing the head unit. All the connectors are plugged in. Everything slides in without a fight. Next, the instrument cluster. Snap the connector in, and done. There are guide holes built in for the mounting bolts. Usually just 2 bolts hold the whole cluster. Small detail, but it's exactly these little things that separate a clean install from a sloppy one. Snapping on the plastic covers. One for the head unit, one for the cluster. Carefully connecting the plugs for the headlight adjustment and a few other functions, then clicking it all into place. Look how easy that is. Literally one motion. Installing the climate control unit. Yeah, I'm speeding through this for the video, But in real life, don't rush it. Being thorough matters way more than being fast. And now, here's what some of you stuck around for. Something you don't see very often: replacing a side airbag curtain and taking apart the entire headliner. This car had the driver's side curtain airbag deployed, had to replace it, and that meant pulling the entire headliner out. Here's the interesting part. On the Raize, the headliner can only come out through the rear door opening, through the trunk area. There's literally no other way to get it out. That was the real challenge here. My apprentice helped me a bit at the start. The key is getting 2 or 3 plastic clips lined up right, and after that, one person can handle the rest solo, no problem. As you can see, I finished putting everything back into place myself, piece by piece. And that's the full build, from the dashboard all the way to a fresh headliner with the new airbag curtain installed. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Drop a comment with what you want to see next. I read every single one and take your suggestions seriously. I'll keep bringing you real no-fluff content like this. See you in the next video.